Hello, it's been a while since I released the video, and I want to update you on what we are doing for the Winden in the moment. This is a current state of the Winden, and you can see we have the Tailwind colors. We also have the shades here presented. They are vertical. What we are doing now is if you add the Tailwind color, it's going to be displayed that it's Tailwind. You cannot click anymore because it's pointless. Those should be the hard-coded, not editable. And now for the shades, what you can see here, we completely redone the logic for the shades. And instead of the input fields, we made it more dynamic, and you can update in bulk. So what that means? You can see we are at the lightness. We have the option to change the saturation and the hue as well. So for example, for the lightness, we have option to update the curve. So you can see how everything is sliding correctly. And let's just change to something like this, because this is the most problematic color. And you can see how it looks wash out. And that's why we added the saturation as well. So we can actually update the saturation, and you can see how the colors looks much nicer now. And here is also the perfect example for the hue as well. And I'm going to move it to something like this. And sometimes for the hue, you want that lighter color be a little warmer, and then the darker color to be a little darker. So you have the spectrum of the actual sunlight. So it's earlier it's sunny, and then how the dark is falling, it's actually bluish. So hope that you guys are liking what we are doing with the Winden. Give us a suggestion what next you would like to see in Winden. Oh, I almost forgot. So for the font sizes and the spacings, we have now the new calculator. So I move everything on the left. There is still a little more adjustments. So those are the settings. So regarding if it's this or this, those are the settings. And now you visually have presented the scale ratio. This is a center. Everything up goes going to be smaller. Everything down going to be bigger. You have the reset as before. You can see, but now you have the option to drag and drop the base. You can change the names. You can update the numbers. So now I think that it's much easier to understand. Also, it looks more like a table. So you see everything. It's enabled, delete, max, minimum, name, etc., etc. So if it's a fixed, you don't have the minimum and maximum. You only have the names and the scale ratio based on the ratio and based on the base font color. So I need to fix those, but you see how we are progressing with the Winden. Also, you have option to add the step and the step 2, step 3, etc., etc. Everything is covered here. So you have the preview. You didn't lose the preview. We just make it visually much more clearer now. Thank you for watching, and bye from the DPlugins.